Hey guys, welcome to this for you. Pakutto Japan gave me a couple of Japanese snacks to try. First is Japanese mochi. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so there's 3 flavors: lemon, grape, and peach. It's not like the ice cream type of mochi that I've tried in the past. Let's see how these are here. Get this open. Oh, it's actually easy to get open. So let's look at. Oh, you really smell the grapes. This came right over here. Want to smell it? No, you can't have it. You can't have it. No, you can't. We can smell. Okay, sit down. You can't have it, but sit. Okay, we're gonna just try the grape. Oh wow, this is a little spongy. It's almost like a jellyfish. It's really soft. Look, it's really soft and spongy. Try it. It's really good. Look. Take me to your leader. It's like an alien. Peekaboo. It's really good. It's got a nice grape flavor. It's not too sweet. I guess it's probably soft because of the heat here. I'm just debating when I'm going to try one of the other flavors. Okay, I'm going to try pink one next. Okay, let's give that one a try. Just like a jellyfish. To me, it looks like a jellyfish. I don't know. Good thing. This is a peach. So it's got fruit in the middle. It's very good. Okay, I'm going to try the third one now. I figured I might as well try all 3 since I tried the other 2. Okay, let's try this one. It's just a weird texture to me. Boop, 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 boop. It smells good. Oh my goodness. I think I like the lemon the best. It's a nice light citrusy flavor. Oh, I almost bit my tongue. You'll probably find these online somewhere. When I was looking, Google, to see what the exact name of these are. Paul did tell me, but I just wanted to look online for when I did the thumbnail. And so lemon, peach, and grape. Did I say that right? Lemon, peach, grape? Yes, I did. Okay. Definitely give this a try, guys. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you've tried mochi before, like this version, which is kind of more like a jelly kind of version, or the ice cream version. What your favorite flavor is. Just let me know down in the comments, because there's so many different varieties of mochi, you guys. So that's why I just want to know what you've tried and what your favorite was. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye, everybody.